First song's called 2,000 Light Years Away. I sit alone in my bedroom, staring at the walls. I've been up all night long. My pulse is beating, my love is hurting. I hope I got that close my eyes and I dream about her. Cause she's 2,000 light years away. You're my medication tries to I'll never let go. Cause she's 2,000 light years away. Years away. I sit outside and watch the sunrise. I got as far as I can. I can't see her, but in the chance it's shining on that day. When I'm together, I hold my breath and close my eyes and I dream about her. Cause she's 2,000 light years away. She holds my medication tight so I'll never let go. Cause she's 2,000 light years away. Years away. Stared at the walls. I've been up all day night long. My pulse is beating, my love is yearning. I hold my breath and close my eyes and I dream about her. Cause she's 2,000 light years away. With another kind right now, I never let go. Cause she's 2,000 light years away. Years away. When I was young, I thought that the world circled around me. I realized I was alone. I live on a function in the streets of the dead future. It was a tragic case of my reality. Do you think you're in the church of and no one can touch you? Oh, I think you're disposable and it's time you let you. Cause I just wanna buy life. Well, I just wanna buy life. And all I wanna do is get real high. Well, I just wanna buy life. What is my lifetime to be so small? Because it's forever, and does forever have a lot to call it down? The good or the bad, because you already know as much as I know. And what you've been there was what I hardly think so. Do you think you're in the church of and no one can touch you? I think you're disposable and it's time you do that shit. Cause I just wanna buy life. Well, I just wanna buy life. And all I wanted to is get real high. Well, I just wanna buy life. So I used to play and die before I let myself down. My mother said it was right. My mother said I tell why. but the words would come around. So if you only knew the way I felt for so long, I know that we're worlds apart, but I just don't seem to care. These feelings in my heart, only if you I want to say, it's like and on my thought, only of you are. Time is right. You will think the same about me when I try to work my life. I only wish that you could see I know that around it is. Your first feeling ever is. If I get out of you, the only thing I want to do is like trust you. And all I thought, only of you were. Quickly turn your head away. Try to find the words I could use, so that the courage to come up to you. My chances again are big. Stare across the room. Are you leaving soon? I just need a little time. Why did you try to head? Cause I knew that I never had. What is it about you that I adore? What makes you feel such fear? That makes me go so insane. What is it about you that I adore? Stare across the room. Are you leaving soon? I just need a little time. One time, wow! Away with a boyfriend. Baby, we'll meet again someday. Baby, we'll meet again someday. Baby, we'll meet again someday. Someday. Welcome to paradise. Dear mother, can you hear me whining? This music's all about sex and I am what you're in. This sudden fear has let me tremble. Cause now it seems that I am out here on my own, and I'm feeling so alone. Pay attention to the collection and the broken home. Some call it slut, some call it night. I wanna take it through a wasteland, I like to go on. Welcome to paradise. Gunshot rings out at the station. Another urchin snaps out, left dead on his own. It makes me wonder why I'm still here. For some strange reason, it's not feeling like I am, and I'm never gonna go. Pay attention to the crisis and the broken homes. Some call it sun, some call it night. I wanna take it through a wasteland, I like to call my own. Welcome to paradise. It makes me wonder why I'm staring. But some strange reason it's now feeling like I am, and I'm never gonna go. Pay attention to the cracks through town, the broken homes. Some call it slums, some call it nice. I wanna take it through a wasteland, I like to call my own. Welcome to paradise. Yeah, paradise. This next song is called Christie Road. Staring out of my window, watching the ghosts go rolling by. My friends are gone, I've got nothing to do. So I sit here patiently, watching the clock check so slowly. Gotta get away, all my brains will explode. Give me something to the kill sometime. Take me to that place that I go. Take away the strains of being lonely. Take me to the tracks at Christie Road. See the hills from afar, standing on my beat-up car. The sun went down and then I felt the sky. Now I feel like my once tracks at Christie Road. Out of my way, the right place we're there. We'll always take that by the way to Christie Road. Understand out of my way, the right place we're there. We'll always take that by the way to Christie Road. If there's one thing that I need, complete. So I go to Christie Road. Let's all get down. Let's all get louder. Here we go again, infatuations are dead. Because when I thought that it would win. Oh, but then again, it seems much more than that. But I'm not sure exactly what you're thinking. Was I sitting on like thinking of your ways of affection? But you find that it's not different at all. Was I contemplate my future, that's what I said. What the? Running out to heaven, doing that together, and we run away. Far away, before nothing ever. But I'll take whatever you can give that comes my way, yeah. Far away. Here we go again, infatuations are just because when I thought that it would hit. Oh, and then again, it seems like smiling that but I'm not sure exactly what you're thinking. Was I sitting on night thinking of your ways of the future? But you find that it's not different at all. What blow away my past mistakes, fortune for my future? That's what I said. Walk away. Running out to heaven, you and I together, and then we run away. Far away. Together, I don't have to live, and you can run and run away. This is a new song. Peel me off this Velcro seat, get me moving. Sure as hell can't do it by myself. I'm feeling like a dog in heat, barred indoors from the summer street. I locked the door to my own cell and I lost the key. Like my different place, my eyes out, take my right to paradise. So damn far I'm getting if I get a smell like shit. I got no motivation. Where is my motivation? No time for motivation. Smoking my inspiration. I sit around and watch the phone, but no one's calling. Call me pathetic, call me what you will. My mother says she get a job. She don't like the one she's got. When masturbation's lost its fun, you're fucking crazy. By my lips, close my eyes, I'll take me away. Here it is. So damn far I'm getting if I get a smell like shit. Take a bad chair. Introducing Trey Cool. Hi.
I wrote this song for all everybody's moms. There'll be food round the corner, food round the corner, food round the corner for me. Do-de-do-do-do-do. Food round the corner, food round the corner, food round the corner for me. Do-de-do, do-de-do. There'll be food round the corner for me. Do-de-do-do-do-do. Food round the corner, food round the corner, food around the corner for me. Won't be your dominating love slave. Won't be the one who takes the pain. You can spank me when I do not bleed it. Smack me in the forehead with a chain. And I love feeling dirty. And I love feeling cheap. And I love it when you hurt me. So drive the same old sleep. Come on, 1, 2, clap me, call me naughty. Put a bell center against me. I wanna feel pain all over my body. Can't wait to be punished for my sins. And I love feeling dirty. And I love feeling cheap. And I love it when you hurt me. So die and take the knee.
Welcome to my own. Said I fight you. You say you wanna leave me, but you can't choose. I've got 3 things, the day and night. After my mind is gonna change something I can't find. Don't let me, don't let me. Jump like a Christian, covering your feet. I'm looking for directions without a plan. I shut your myself if you come back. Rather the race that I am, but I cannot back. Don't let me, don't let me, don't let me. Welcome to my said I fight you. You say you wanna leave me, but you can't choose. I've got 3 feet, the day and night. After my mind is going to say something I can't find. Don't let me, don't let me. Gracias.